Magsa-start na kaming magkape. Tadang! Walang uso teaspoon dito. At saka, bread. Pandesal from RB's for the win. Masarap.
May teaspoon na eh.
Kabok. Ganyan mo lang ako nakuha. Kaya makaon na ako. Nagluto na si Inday Honey. Si Inday Honey talagang nagluto. Nagluto siya ng itlog. Si Mama naman nagluto ng itlog. Alobo. Anong katawa ka, Day? Ano, Day? Ayan. The chef for today.
You want,
Very fast.
Yeah, very fast magic circle. Loading ba?
Faster.
There's a magic circle. Loading.
low internet natin.
Yeah.
Ano, do you want hot dog?
When and you internet.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Oh, there you go.
Mahotdog, ma'am.
Hot dog. Yummy, yummy hot dog.
Hot dog.
Yay! Hello, cheers!
So big. Hello, good morning.
Big one.
Get a big hot dog, hello.
Cheers! Cheers! Tanggal mo
Ulitin lang.
Do you want more, ate?
More?
What do you say?
Big one!
Big one, hot dog.
Andito na pala kami sa Toledo. Tapos andito tayo sa Manginasal. Gutom na. Uy, separate ng table si Merwin at saka yung girlfriend niya, si Honey. Hindi kami magkasya kasi dito eh. Our last time na magmang inasal. Ano ba yan? Palabok naman kay Marlon. Oh. Ayan. Ate, do you want chili? No. Share na po siya. Pag-iutan siya sa atin eh. Guys, pili tayo ng aceton. Wala talagang gumawa ng nails namin dito. So, sariling sikap tayo dito gumawa ng nails. Oh, wait. Cuticle softener, mani. Cuticle remover. Nindot na eh, Bobby. This one, Bobby. Cuticle remover softener. No, dili cuticle. Nail polish remover. Yan. Hala, color din na itong nails. Ay, kanang hair ni Mama Ron. Ito for Mark. Yung batang yun. Makakalimutin na bata. What do you have?
Balloon.
Balloons? I don't know. Kinahanglan de. Ay, that's rebonding. So I'm not sure. Palitin ko keratin. God, this is my favorite.
Is that your favorite too?
Yeah.
Ako din.
Kadin. So in love. 120 pesos lang oh.
Kaya nga. Isa lang
Mura.
pinili ko, dalawa.
Yeah, o sarap. Start na kami mag-grocery, guys. Our final grocery before tayo umuwi sa Australia. Look. The good ones. Be fresh. Ay, cool. Kung sino-sino na lang yung pinupuntahan niya para ma-open yung mga gusto niyang ipa-open.
Open, mami.
Pay first! Pay first! Skittles. Ito yung gusto ko talagang bilhin yung Bello na Intense White kasi nagustuhan ko talaga siya. This one, bili tayo nito. Meron pang duo. Ito yung maganda. Actually, yun lang yung nasa lista ko yung Bello Intense White. Yung iba sa nakikita lang natin dito. Pick as we go lang dito yung iba. Yan na yung itsura ng aming cart. Asan na sila? Nakita ko na. Bello. You wanna try that one, sis?
Ano ko ani?
Monay mo ha? Kanang black na keratin.
Na-icon dito katong crimson.
Ang ulan dito sa Toledo, guys. Kailangan namin bumili ng umbrella para kunin ni Marlon yung car. Otherwise, stuck kami dito. Ready na yung aming umbrella. Pero wala lang bagger si ate. So, antay tayo kay ate. Tapos na kaming mag-grocery, guys. Pero yun nga, maulan pa rin. We're waiting for Marlon. Kinukuha lang niya yung car. Do it! Ba! Security is coming!
Oh, it's coming. Oh, this one. This one. Who wanted Ala? Ala. Was it
Alo.
him? Ala, was it him?
Was it him? Alo? Alo, your turn. This one. Natanggalon sa ganiya. Uy!
Oh.
What? Greetings. Bitaw no, humina ang ulan na andito na kami sa car. Antay lang kami kay ate. Hindi kasi umihingi nung first time.
Mommy,
Pagod na mo sa what smell?
Why you mad, ma? Why you mad, ma?
Tanong ka pa.
Hello! Oh my gosh, my cats!
Sa Gaisano Grand Mall. Bili lang si Dan actually na makakain. So, sabay naman. Nandito tayo sa John Lemon. Ito yung in-order namin Lemon plus calamansi. So, nag-order tayo pang last na ito na potato corner natin. Sarap. Ang init pa na. So, meron tayong cheese at saka... Mo ba?
Nakakaduhan sa tawag. Kumis, Sarah Miss Ay.
Marlon!
Kauban naman? Pwede naman ko.
So, Thursday yung sa kanila. Doon sa amin. Yun nga, sa John Lemon tayo. John Lemon? John Lemon?
Lemon at calamansi.
Lemon and calamansi is good. Is good though? Good. Ate Ayla, what do you have?
watermelon.
Uy, watermelon! Sabi niya, healthy din sa kanya. Uy,
What do you say to Tita Rich?
Thank you. Refreshing. That says on watermelon.
Good job.
Masarap.
Which one do you like better?
We can't go to the, or we can't take her near the toilet because that's where the...
I want one too.
Share, share.
Ayla,
Cheers.
you too? Cheers!
What's her name? Names. Where's Tito Marlon?
Where's Tito Marlon? Nawa na kaila.
Where's Tito Marlon?
Halo, kumita. Halo, halo.
This one?
Yun.
Hey, that's Barry.
This one, Alan? What you should tanaw ni mo dong? This one?
Hoy,
Tito Marlon? Where's Tita Rich? Tita Rich. There. Where is Ate Ayla?
There.
Where is Mommy?
There. There.
Where's Tito Marlon?
There. Where's Tita Honey?
There. Very good. Too small? Alo! Try baka. Ayaw mo naman magchinelas. Yan, naningkamot. You can do it, boy. No help from any... No help. Oh! Dito kami sa mga pambata o ng mga... Ayan! Ate Ayla, that's cute! Katuti.
26, 27. Yan.
Murag mas nice na siya. Huwag daw.
This one, ate, nice.
Nakahanap na si Arlo ng black. Ah. Mura lang guys, 99 pesos lang. Guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Mag-unboxing tayo sa nabili natin kanina. Mag-haul pala. Mag-haul tayo. So, ito palang maliit na box yung akin. Ito yung kinaate, oh. Mag-haul tayo niyan later. So, start tayo dito sa maliit na bag. This is from Metro.
Hello! Ayan.
So, ito yung nabili natin. Faber-Castell. Naghahanap ako ng pilot pero wala akong mahanap na pilot doon sa Metro.
So, asan naman yung imong ano?
Ansa man?
Yata.
Oh, meron tayong tatlong
Top din,
black at saka tatlong blue.
3 times a day. Ana, once a day.
Okay, labas ko lang yung akin kasi mostly hindi to akin.
Black a day.
Yeah. Alright, ito yung mga nabili ko guys. Meron tayong acetone kasi ang tsaka na ng aking pedicure. Tanggal na talaga yung ating
Wala
mga
na siya
nail
dito,
polish. Manay mo ka ng massage room. Wala dyan mo na contact. Wala lang. Tapos meron tayong quick dry. Ako na lang gagawa sa aking nails guys. Dami naman natin hindi nagawa dito sa Pinas. Tapos, So In Love na bench. Ito yung gamit ko. Uy, college life. College life natin. Tapos ito, nakabili ako nito last year. Pero nasa New Zealand
Tignan mo
kasi.
yung mga top din yan. May mga bawas na lahat. Hindi pa ubos.
Tapos ito, i-try ko ito spam
Tama
milk
ba? Sa katawa
salt
ba?
sa...
May butang na.
Paano ito basahin? Abone? Ay, na-sleep pa din siya. Yung asa mo siya gikan. Natulog pa lang sa Inday. Anyway. Kalimot pa dyan kung nga nakatulog siya. Dito tayo start kasi for some reason ito madami yung binili natin. Ayan, ito yung Bello na intense white na bets ko. So meron tayo 2, 3, 4. Asa yung Inday? Oh, may pa-trial. Ang ganda kasi ngayon kasi parang meron silang pa-free. Like this one, meron siyang free underarm whitening cream. Ayan. Tapos ito kay Inday. Na-try mo na to? Intensive whitening daw, oh, without a sting. Ito kahani ito, dalawa. Okay. Thank you, Auntie. Tapos yung mga dadalhin natin sa sa Australia, hindi natin mabibili ito doon. Ay, mabibili pala, pero sa Asian store. Pupunta pa tayo sa Asian store. So, Skyflakes. Dalawang Skyflakes. Dalawang butter coconut. Masarap kasi ito pang baon. Tapos, bumili na lang din ako na otak. Tatlo po eh. Dalawa na lang. Baka na sa uli yung isa. Pansit ka mo. Ma, ganahan daw kaaning frutos, ma. Frutos na sampalok. Sampalok. Ako, isa lang dadalhin ko. Tapos, pinisi, isa lang. Magic cream. Yucky. At saka, double mint na gum. Ano to? Tapos, ito yung last one. Cream silk na keratin treatment. Ayan lang. Yan lang yung aking mga dadalhin sa Australia. Ang ating food is chicken inasal. Ayan, lechon manok. That's it. Init, Quill. Pagkuhag serving spoon na lang. Everyone's trying to eat now. Mamay!
Yeah. Come here.
give you this. Look, may dumuol sa akin dudong ah.
Ate,
Oh,
kami.
Hey, open. So guys, punta sana kami today sa Pink House. Like yung burger, yung lagi namin pinupuntahan last year. Ano, this no
Pwede ka na, nanay.
halo. Buy more later. Rice first. Rice.
Na, wala na. Nakatawa sa...
Rice. No. Okay, we'll buy more later. Na, buy more later. Where's the money? Get money, ikaw. Punta sana kami sa Pink House para mag-burger. Masarap sana yung chicken burger nila. Kasi hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. This weekend. Tapos ano pala, naka-book sila ng private function, mga gano'n. So hindi kami nakakain. Baka bukas na. At ito, umate, miski lunch na. Kaya kain ka kain. Asang wiwing? Hala, tinagdaan na kwarta. Money. Hindi mo money. You want money?
Rice daw.
Of course. Rice.
Kain.
Oh.
Ala, come here. I'll feed you.
Kumain si Dudo.
Kami, ate.
Ang tulo sa ano. More. Very good, Bubog. Makain ng rice ng Bubog namin na. More rice. And then we'll buy lolis later. Guys, we are gonna go to the carnival. Peria. Punta tayo sa Peria. Andun na sila sa baba. Inaantay na lang namin si Wiwin kasi naghuhugot pa siya ng pinggan. So, yeah. Ready na tayo. Hindi ko na off yung lights. Marlon's not gonna go with us. Hayop na batang ite. Alis na kami. Aray. Si Mama nagzuzumba. Hindi din makakasama. Ayla, you wanna pee? Pee first. Pee first? She doesn't have to. Pantay, maghihigat to sa grass. May contest ata dun sa complex. Pero punta tayo sa Peria. Dilim ah. Yan oh, dilim. Lazy boy. Lazy boy, dito Inday.
Is it down there?
Yeah. Ate. Yeah, madaming tao. We are here. Daming tao ha. Walang entrance.
Ala. This one.
Wala ah. 1 peso. Dito tayo.
Go try, babe.
You probably lost like 40 already. Yay! Junk foods na.
May nanalo! Wait, asa? May napanalunan si Mark daw na very important. Kulapo! Kulapo yung nanalo.
Kulapo.
Nanalo talaga sa kulapo.
Wala po. Sa inyo na to. Giveaway.
Yeah, bye.
Kaya na minimum.
I can't believe it, my daughter.
Oh! Yellow! Race pin na, race pin. Green, day green. Green! Carlo, sige na tanaw.
Ah, there you go. Put up what colour? Okay.
Arlo star.
Ready, one, two, three, go, cool. Hey, green, buddy.
Hala, nalagi squeaking sound. Nakuyaw. That's cute. sakay sila ng horsey.
Doon na lang, doon na lang.
Doon na lang, pasahero. Ay. Sharing is loving. Whee! So cute. Cute naman, oh. Look at them. They're so happy. Daddy! Hello! Hey! Oh, King got 2 balls. Yay! 200. Gambling mas Danny Boy. Sugal mas Danny Boy. Boom! Go! Boom! Yay! Kumakayay! Ay, nakakatuwa. 20 pesos. Yay!
I'll get one for you. I'll get one for you.
Hindi nila gusto yung chips. Sudan na ba ay!
Tama ba yun?
Open natin.
Ikaw na Jay.
Ikaw daw. Merwin third. Bong. Dalawa na. 3.
Na, ingon nato nga po Shell. Pag na. Na, ay lagi lihok ka. 0 out of 12.
0 out of 12! Sige, gawin na. I-sight lang siya. Ano? Yung premyo namin doon, Choco Joy. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga kids. Umuwi kaming may panalo. Kulafu for the win.
Uy, kami panalunan.
Ang daming chocolates na napanalunan namin. Ay, walang water. Just these 2 here. These 2 I can use. Thank you, ate. Pumunta talaga siya sa room niya. Kinuha niya yung sticker. Wait naman ni Ate Ayla. Thank you so much, Ate. You're so sweet. You're always sweet and generous to all. You always share. Yeah.
I always share my balloon.
Yeah, you did share your balloons. Which one? I'll put it here. Where is it? Ang liit-liit. Thank you. Cute. Guys, bumili sila ng balloon.
What's the most disgusting food in Australia?
Like almost the same as this.
No.
Like
Nah.
na.
This is not disgusting.
This is good.
Para na to.
Vegemite? You haven't even tried
If
that.
Vegemite, you'd probably say we.
Yeah, I don't like
that. Everything else we eat is very normal. Oh, the chocolate.
Let's do this, guys. Ang dami
down,
mga
get down.
distraction. But we
Alright, so we're gonna film you.
we are gonna do this. Kani Mark lang naluto mo.
Alright, let me.
Salt. There's no salt.
There's no
So, how was this stuffing?
16 days.
16 days, never took a
Yeah.
chance.
Chance.
The whole flock.
Sorry,
The whole
dog.
flock.
We need to eat.
Di pa ba na to?
Di ka siya mo barog kill. Look.
Biya.
Let's go yan.
You will like the yellow.
Look at this stuff. It's a poor thing. Savages.
Daddy, Daddy, Mocha do that.
Look at Mommy's doing it, Anna. She's eating it that.
Mocha do that.
Kulay ko pa to na.
Mocha do that.
Kaon na.
Wait, wait. You've seen the duck already?
Then look at this Dan.
There.
The duck of the head. The
Ay,
head of.
sad na. Eh, di mo sa kuga na matan. Mukhaon naman ko.
That's the head of the duck.
It's disgusting.
We have to survive, Dan. We have to do this.
Poor Filipinos.
For survival.
For survival.
Been in this here for 8 days and I've been to one bird in the sky.
Oh, dali.
And it looked like he was lost.
Huy!
Buti nga daw ito.
Yeah. Is it really good?
Basta na kayo tugkuan.
Out of 10, what is it?
11.
11.
That's good, I like that.
Did I have a beak?
Not yet. 19. The beak will be like a little harder.
Do you eat it with a beak?
And the feet's already formed.
No, we eat it, but it's just very soft, the beak.
So 18. 18 days.
You know what you're doing.
Eating
Look at me.
what?
Show the T-Rex.
I don't know T-Rex. Do you eat T-Rex?
T-Rex.
T-Rex, eat T-Rex.
Try? Yes!
I'm so sorry.
T-Rex.
Yummy! Yummy T-Rex?
I knew it.
Anna, look at this. He's just licking the chicken.
Eat the egg! Eat the egg!
Anna, come here. Look at this. He's just licking a dead chicken. Come here.
하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah 동선을 타고 난 날아올라
Guys, nakapag-skincare na ako at nakapantulog na din tayo. Alam niyo ba, time check, it's 12:43. Sobrang ang dami pang ganap sa labas. And anyway, matutulog na ako guys. Just gonna close this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed yung vlog natin today. Hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!